Hi guys, welcome to Coding Beetle, and in this video I will tell you about the different types of comments in Java program. So first of all, the first comment is single line comments, that is by giving double slash and then the comments that you want to give. So here in this line, as you can see, I have written a comment by giving double slash, and a comment is simply ignored by a Java program. And let's see what it is. Here you can see only hello world is printed and the comment is not printed. But here after this, if I give an enter and then write something and then run the program, then you can see we got an error, because now this line is not a comment. But to make this line a comment, we have to give multi-line comments, and to give multi-line comments we use slash asterisk, and to close it again asterisk and slash, and whatever you write in between these lines, this will be taken as comment by the compiler. And let's run it and see. Here you can see we got the hello world again, and by ignoring the comment. So what comment basically does is that it is to indicate that what a block of code or a line basically does. That means suppose you have created a function, or the code after that is just to add, multiply or subtract, or maybe do some complex calculation, then you can just write in the comment that what the particular lines after that simply does. And this is, let's write, this is a multi-line comment, and let's show this is a single line comment. And single line comments usually starts with double slash and ends at the end of the line. So that's all for today guys, and I'll meet you in the next video with something new. So till then, take care and goodbye.